Hello everyone, this is Dustin Burrell with CIS 240 servers class today. Windows 2012 R2 to be exact. We are on activity 9.7 and we are configuring a folder redirection policy. Pretty much the objective is to redirect the documents folder in this activity. The tools for and equipment you will need is 411 server 1 and 411 win 8. The description of this activity is basically to use your user's document to be backed up in a central location so you can configure a folder redirection policy for the documents folder. First, we're going to go to 411 server 1, log on as administrator. I'm already logged on, so I just need to go down and open up my file explorer on step 2 and create a folder named redirected in the C volume. So let's open up the file explorer, click on the C drive, right click, go to new folder, call it redirected. And we're going to want to share this folder and share it with specific people, everyone. Add it. Make sure it's the read write share permissions, not just the read. We want access to both. And leave the remaining permissions at their default settings. And then click share. Then click done. And now we're going to open up our group policy management console. It's right down here for me. If it's not down here for you guys, it is in your tools section of the server manager. We set up a tab to make easy access to the group policy management console. We're going to create a GPO named folder direct. We're going to do it in the group policy objects folder. So right click it, go to new. New GPO is going to be called folder, and then capitalize redirect in the group policy objects folder. And then hit OK. Open the folder direct in the group policy management editor. Let's go to edit. Now that we're in the group policy management editor on the folder direct, we would like to expand the user configuration to get to where we need to go, and then expand policies and expand Windows settings and expand folder direction. When we get the documents, we're going to right click it, and then we're going to go to properties. So as we're getting into the properties, the document properties dialog box should pop up, which it did. We're going to click basic, redirect everyone's folder to the same location. Basic redirect everyone's folder to the name location in the setting tab. And in the setting drop down list, after that we're going to click target folder location list arrow to view the available options, and then if necessary we're going to click create a folder for each user under the root path in the list, but it's already there. So in the root path we want to set it up with 411 server, server 1 redirected. Actually just redirect. Let me double check. Yeah, 411 server 1 / redirected. It is redirected. Okay. Before we hit OK, let's click the Settings tab and review the available options. Click to clear grant user exclusive rights to documents. So clear that check mark. Click redirect the folder back to the local user profile location when policy is removed. And then click OK. And in the warning message box, of course, it's going to pop up. Just click yes. Close the group policy management editor. In the group policy management console, link the folder redirect GPO to test OUI. Right there. Right click test OUI, link an existing GPO. We're going to pick folder direct right there. Click OK. It is now linked. And now we've done our job on 411 server 1. Now let's see if the documents is going to the right place. We're going to go to 411 Win8 and log on as the test user 1. I'm already set up there. And we're going to run a GP update on our command prompt window. Gonna start, click right. Command prompt window. Do a GP update. Policy is updated. Gonna restart. There's a couple ways you can restart, by the way. I've seen many people just do the shut /R /S and then 0. Shuts it down through the command prompt. But a quick restart will get the job done. As we're waiting for it to restart, we're just making sure the folder direct gets in the right destination of where we're going to put it in this activity. As it's restarting, log on again as test user 1. See if it shows up there again. And then go to your file explorer on 411 Win8. Create a text file in the documents folder. And we're going to name the text document test redirect. And then after you create that, go down here and right click start, go to run, and type in // 411 server 1 / and actually it's popping up for us right there, redirected. So that's a good sign. And then press enter. You should see a folder named test user in the share. I do not see it. I saw another video where they had the same problem too. See if we can find it. There it is. It's not the way I wanted to find it, but I do have it in there. So you should see the folder named test user 1 in the share. Double click the test user 1. then double click the documents folder. There it is, test direct. Let me go back one. The test redirect file you created in documents folder should be there, which it is right there. The only thing I'm a little confused on is the test user 1 didn't show up where it was supposed to. I mean, I found it and I can find it very easily. But the object was to get it to show up right here. Let's go back to our 401 server 1. I need to go back there and unlink this anyway. The last step for it was to unlink the folder. Unlink it right here. Make sure that's unlinked. I'm really trying to figure out where that went. Oh, that would be why. My test user is in my domain control for some reason. What I would have had to do to make this correct, I have to put the test user in the test OU1. Then it would have worked okay. Alright, as long as I figured out what I did wrong. To let y'all know, to get your test user 1 where you wanted it to be, I would have to go here and link it to test OU1. Test user 1. Let's go try this out. Still not popping up. Alright, well, thanks for watching my video. I appreciate it. I hope you learned something from it. The test user 1 did not show up in the folder, but we did at least get the test redirect text file into the documents folder, which is very important. Any comments or questions, let me know.